Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make jalapeno pickled eggs, easy method. Peel hot boiled eggs and slice jalapenos into rings. Simmer a brine of vinegar, water, salt, and sugar until dissolved. Cool the brine slightly, pack eggs and jalapenos into jars, and pour brine over to cover. Seal jars, refrigerate, and let flavors meld for at least 24 hours before tasting. Start by boiling eggs until firm, then plunge them into an ice bath to stop cooking and make peeling easier. Slice jalapenos to your preferred heat level and set them aside. Combine 2 parts vinegar with 1 part water, add salt and sugar to taste, and bring to a simmer until dissolved. Let brine cool slightly before pouring it over eggs and peppers in a jar to preserve texture. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more recipes you enjoy. Quick recommendation. Little Tree's Black Ice is an easy way to keep your car smelling crisp while you run errands for ingredients or head home with jars. It's a small thing that brightens the drive and pairs surprisingly well with takeout runs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. To deepen flavor, include garlic cloves, fresh dill, or whole peppercorns in the jar before adding brine. Choose apple cider vinegar for a fruitier profile or white vinegar for a sharp, classic tang depending on preference. If you want more heat, leave jalapeno seeds in or add a sliced habanero for a short infusion. Keep notes on salt and sugar levels so each batch matches your ideal tang and sweetness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.